Welcome you all. Today's the field experiment is the measurement of horizontal angle by repetition method. So first you have to select the station instrument station point Q. This is the instrument station point Q, and a station P, that is a station P, and that is a station R. First, after completing all the temporary adjustments, so first, by clamping the lower clamp, and unclamp the upper one, make the vernier A reads as a 0 degree, reads as a so 0 degree, and a fine adjustment should be done with the help of upper tangent screw. Now vernier A reads as a 0 degree and vernier B reads as a 180 degree, 0 minutes and 0 second. Then clamp the upper tangent screw. By unclamping the lower clamp. Then I will be go for unclamping the lower clamp. First you have to go for face left observation or face normal. Always you have to go for face normal position first. Then you will be go for the face right position. Sight a station P. Sight a station P. Now I will be sighting a station P at the bottom of the ranging rod, and clamp the lower clamp. So now reading will be 0 degree, 0 minute and 0 second in A scale, and in B scale 180 degree, 0 minute and 0 second. So now the vernier B reading is deducted by 180 degree. So reading you will get the reading 0 degree, 0 minute and 0 second. Then afterwards unclamp the upper clamp, turn the telescope towards R, sight a station R at the bottom of the ranging rod, clamp the upper clamping screw, and fine adjustments is done with the upper tangent screw. Take a reading from vernier A and vernier B. Now vernier A reads 23 degree, 30 minutes and 0 second. So vernier A reads 23 degree, 30 minutes and 0 second. First you have to take mean scale reading in degree and minutes, and vernier scale reading in minutes and seconds. So you have to add it. You get the total reading, and that is 23 degree, 30 minutes and 0 second. After sighting a station R, clamp the upper tangent screw, loosen the lower clamp. So after losing the lower clamp, by clamping the upper tangent screw, there will be a no changing in the reading. Just you have to turn the telescope. There will be a no change in the reading. Then sight a station P. Sight a station P at the bottom of the ranging rod, and clamp the upper clamp. Lower clamp, and fine adjustment is done with the help of lower tangent screw. Now the reading is 23 degree, 30 minutes and 0 second. 23 degree, 30 minutes and 0 second. Then unclamp the upper clamp. Next unclamp that is the first rotation is over, first setup is over. Next we will go for the second number of repetition. Second time, turn the telescope instrument and sight a station R. at the bottom of the ranging rod, and clamp the upper clamping screw, and fine adjustment is done with the help of upper tangent screw. Now the reading is 47 degree, 4 minute and 40 second. Vernier A is 47 degree, 4 minute and 0 second, and vernier B reads as a 47 degree, 8 minutes and 20 second. So number of repetition is second number of repetition is over. So reading will be twice the horizontal angle. Okay, that is 20 horizontal angle of 23 degree, 30 minutes and 0 second. Then clamp the upper tangent screw and unclamp the lower clamp, and turn the instrument, and again you will be side the station P, and they clamp the lower clamp, and fine adjustment is done with the help of lower tangent screw. Now the reading is 47 degree, 40 minutes, 4 minutes and 40 second. Then clamp the upper clamp, unclamp the upper clamp, turn the instrument, and sight a station R. After sighting a station R, clamp the upper clamp, and fine adjustment is done with the help of upper tangent screw. Take a reading, vernier A reading, and that is a 70 degree, 36 minute, 40 second. So vernier B reading reads as a 40 degree, 40 minutes and 70 degree, 36 minutes and 40 seconds. Vernier A reads as a 70 degree, 36 minutes, 40 second, and vernier B reads as 70 degree, 36 minutes and 40 seconds. So this is for the face left observation. I am taking a face left observation. Then again for you have to go for the next you will go for the face right observation. So for face right observation you have to turn the telescope and swing the, by unclamp the upper and swing the instrument. So make the vertical circle face right of the observation, and repeat the procedure. And take a vernier A as well as a vernier B readings. Okay, so I will be showing in tabular columns. This is a measurement of horizontal angle by repetition method. Instrument at Q, sight at 2, first P. In that P, vernier A is 0 degree, 0 minute and 0 second, and vernier B reads as a 0 degree, 0 minute and 0 second. So mean will be 0 degree, 0 minute and 0 seconds. Then sighted to R, will be vernier A readings reads as a 23 degree, 30 minutes, 0 second, and vernier B reads as after deducting an angle 180 degree, you will get a reading 23 degree, 35 minutes and 40 seconds. Then station sighted to station P, you will get a reading reads as a 47 degree, 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Vernier B reads as a 47 degree, 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Then last repetition, that is R, sighted to R, vernier A reads as 70 degree, 36 minutes and 40 seconds. Vernier B reads as 40 degree, 70 minutes and 40 seconds. So after entering in the tabular column, so you have to calculate the mean angle. Mean angle will be a 0 degree, 0 minute and 0 second, 23 degree, 32 minutes and 50 seconds, 47 degree, 6 minutes and 30 seconds, and 70 degree, 38 minutes, 20 seconds. So number of repetitions you have to take at least minimum 3 times. I am taking first, second and third. So horizontal angle for face left observation will be get the answer 23 degree, 32 minutes and 46 seconds. Similarly you go for the face right observation. So vernier A reads 0 degree 0 minutes and 0 second. Vernier B reads as a 0 degree 0 minute and 0 seconds. For first repetition, vernier A reads as 23 degree 45 minutes 0 second, and vernier B reads as 23 degree 40 minutes and 0 second. So for second repetitions, vernier A reads as 47 degree 27 minutes and 0 second. Similarly, vernier B reads as 47 degrees 20 minutes and 0 seconds. Then for third repetitions, vernier A reads as 21 degrees 71 degree 0 minutes and 0 seconds. Vernier B reads as 70 degree 55 minutes 0 seconds. And calculate a mean angle, that is a 0 degree 0 minutes 0 seconds. 23 degree mean means 23 degree 45 minutes 0 second plus 23 degree 40 minutes 0 second divided by 2. You will get answer 23 degree 42 minutes 30 seconds. Similarly, for second repetition, 47 degree 23 minutes and 30 second. Third repetition, 70 degree 51 minutes 30 second. Number of repetition 1, 2, 3. So horizontal angle for face right observation, answer is 23 degree 39 minutes and 10 second. So calculate the average horizontal angle. So this is calculated by taking a mean horizontal angle, that is A in face left observation plus horizontal angle, that is a B for face right observations, divided by 2, that is A plus B divided by 2, that is 23 degree 32 minutes 40 seconds plus 23 degree 39 minutes 10 second divided by 2. So we will get average horizontal angle 23 degree 35 minutes and 58 second, that is a second. So this is a field experiment for measurement of horizontal angle by repetition method. Thank you.